Stream. You're live. Excellent. Okay, so let me throw this down
This
here.
person says it will be bad, but not that kind of bad.
It will,
Yeah,
but not that bad.
just it will, man. Folks, Putin is a goddamn madman.
Okay, so what are we doing again? Where do I? Let's go to Twitter.
This fighting 150 meters from for the fucking vehicle event. These people are insane. All right, what are you doing, Twitter?
So what am I trying to find? Am I trying to find the tokens?
Don't worry about that. Oh, you gotta close it. Just so
Yeah, I had to close everything.
go to my tweets I sent you. You already have Cobra. Yeah. Go to the tweets. No, yeah. Actually, go to your notifications. Actually, that's where it lives, buddy. No, go to your notifications, Gavin. That's not a notification. Though.
Isn't
Oh.
this the?
Oh yeah, I guess no, that's not the right one. Go to your
No.
notifications.
Let's see here.
I got other notifications. There it is. Yeah. I believe that's the right one. By the way, you want to see something sickening, you know?
What?
Oh, sorry. Remember you had 100 impressions a day?
Yep. Blech.
It's mine over 20 days.
That's
Look, it's gone
crazy.
down a lot, though, and back up.
Okay, so I got 299. Oh wait, am I doing this right?
I don't know what you're doing. No, you have? No, you already have them all. I guess your transactions went through.
Oh, okay.
Does it? Do you have 299 of those?
299 cope.
I'll check. I'll check. So that other link I sent you in private chat, right? And the first tweet I did, right?
Yeah.
It will actually show you everybody that's contributed on the same page. So let's go look. Somewhere. Did get it? Yeah, this one. This link here will show you everybody that's contributed. Check it out. What do you think it says? Does it say good stuff? Could it say bad stuff?
Okay. Now, how does
No,
it?
you're not contributed, though. Oh yeah, you need to do one more step. So click on the bottom. You want to stack. Yeah, that's the last step. So do this trade.
Okay. Last step for the trade.
So that's right. I forgot to set my picture and then the stack picture. We need to change the pictures at some point. Are you excited? Is it gonna work? Nobody else has bothered.
Insufficient funds for this trade. Buy
Why?
more, but of course that's a bug.
What happened?
And it took all the coke.
There was no code. Oh yeah, that's a bug. Yeah, that's fine. That means
Took
you
the
get, so if
rest.
I refresh this page, nobody else is bothered to buy these things. Though. Needs to be the only one that's gonna have value go up when I do this fucking massive buy. There's your 299. Oh, so how much does that cost you? What's the price that says there? 0.00 probably. Yeah. Or does it even say? Oh yeah, that's
Social
right.
network fees 0.00089.
No, it wouldn't tell you. I mean, how do we find out the unit price for these things? But it would be expressed in code, wouldn't it? We need an. Oh, we probably do it on Twitter. Check it out. Check it out. I'm gonna go to your profile, right?
Okay.
Hold on. Let's figure this out. Go to your Twitter and click on Wumbo. The purple thing in the top right.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to your Twitter. Click on your Wumbo, right?
Is this it? Oh no, that's just coke.
Don't worry about that. That's regular code. Can you go to your Twitter? It won't show you the price in here. You need to go to Wumbo. So go to Twitter.
Okay. Ta-da.
First thing you need to do. So hold on. Actually, I can't tell what you fucking own on this fucking thing. Oh man. Here.
You know what? This probably helps to add if this is if I was supposed to be using my actual address or my test address.
Here, click on my tokens. Do you see them there? And do they have a price?
Yeah.
I don't know if they added a price.
No, they don't have a price yet.
And it breaks your Wumbo.
That's pleasant.
Don't worry about that. I will get. I have access to repositories. I'm gonna fucking spend time making all this shit work. Problem is, aside from us, right? And aside from Grape Network, who apparently built a DAO on this technology. So Grape, like let's say Sol's here, right? Wumbo's here. I mean, I already showed you the flowchart, right? But
Yeah.
Wumbo's here. So Sol, you can do anything under Sol, and the Wumbo stuff will work on Sol. Wumbo works from nothing else. Up here you have Grape Network, which is just well, actually I used to do stuff with them, but see the Grape tokens, and they've just made their own thing for their decentralized autonomous organization underneath that. And I've been trying to find the UI for that, and I wrote them about it. Anyway, over here now you have Cope, and all that the Cope things really do is what you just saw, like those things on DYR, like everything on DYR.market is in Cope. There's other stuff you can do on DYR.market, but now we've just made a brand new branch, a couple branches to this fucking tree. Anyways, should I buy 30 seconds of homework and then airdrop them?
Airdrop away.
Gumdrop. You're gonna get a bunch of them too. You probably get more than you just did.
Gumdrop?
No, you might get some. What?
Gumdrop?
It's a gumdrop, yeah. So let's take that. You ready? Okay. So I mean, I want
So
you to
what's the difference between an airdrop and a gumdrop?
here. Let's quickly do this on the camera.
Is a
Fucking
gumdrop a lot smaller than an airdrop?
Gamble. We're gonna quickly do this on the fucking. We're just gonna do the explanation. I'm not gonna do the mechanism, right? You fuck. Freaking get recording again. Freaking get it. Freaking here. Fucking record. All right, I want this little interview here. I want you to Q&A me on this bitch.
Give me a Q&A.
Look, you're even in the fucking question answer, right?
Might as well.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna quickly hit the record. I'm not even gonna fucking stream this thing. Not stream is what I'm gonna call this video. Great. And so just gonna do one of these. All right, again, we already. It's gonna say 5:31. All right, hold on. So I'm gonna like. I need coffee going.
Wait, let me get your coffee. I love you.
Huh? All right, so listen. So again, what did you just say about gumdrop and what is a gumdrop stuff?
So what's exactly the difference between an airdrop and a gumdrop?
Well, the airdrop is to say I had 10,000 tokens. I wanted to give it to 10,000 people, right? If I send those to those addresses, first off, it'll show up in their wallets, which is nice, and they can see what the fuck it is. They'll click on it, look on Soul Scan, and say, "Well, fuck, there's a link there. I'll look into what the fuck the thing is." And that's exactly what Siri did with Cope originally. He just picked a bunch of Solana addresses and dropped 75% of his supply. So now that he has this launchpad thing, he wants people to be able to, in a few clicks, airdrop as much of their launched projects to certain lists, which is why we're doing all this work in the first place.
So basically, an airdrop, you need to have a list.
And you need all of the Solana to pay for the fees. With a gumdrop, you don't need the Solana because gumdrop makes the users pay for it for you. So let's just buy a bunch of these fucking things because
But then anybody can go in and do it.
well, no, they can't. They have to. I'll show you
They have
exactly.
to have free.
Well, it's yeah. I'll show you exactly what I mean. Hold on, I can show you right now. So I go to the free go. So the thing is that Larry has built this thing gumdrop. I don't know how many people have used it, but if I quickly go into 4TS here, right, which is one of the it's like the test address that I built the thing with. This particular gumdrop. So this was an example gumdrop that I did to um, Coke holders. So there's more than 10,000 addresses, right? It says you qualify for 1 tokens, and then I make this link. This brings you here. I already claimed these, right? However, anybody else that puts their address in, presses the button, we'll see how many tokens they get. They press the claim button down here, and they get their gumdrop. And it puts it in a wallet. And they pay the fee. So instead of paying like, I don't know, for 10,000 transactions, instead they pay for the fee. So I just kind of wanted to buy these things with this wallet that I'm in right now. So whoever didn't realize there was alpha just didn't get the however many times back the money that Gabe's going to get back here because he's pretty much the only holder of this thing when I do these next few transactions. And then what are the questions you have about gumdrop and airdrop and what we're doing? So I mean, what we're actually going to do right now is put 37. Did I even buy my clip yet? I believe I did.
Now, is it gonna matter? Now, is it gonna like analyze just the address for like what NFTs and like from Stack are actually in that one address or the whole wall?
Yeah, I already have all of that stuff done in here. So we have this list of stuff. The way that it worked is we grabbed all of the all the stack holders, right? So they basically each get a point, and their point is relative to the total number of stacks. So there was like, well, in total there's 1,076 addresses, right? And the stacks are worth not as much as the tokens. The reason we did that, so there's 7,755 stacks out there in the world among like 900 some addresses. So basically, so every one stack is worth 1 out of 7,755 points. Basically, it's like the percentage of the total supply that you hold as a token holder of the token share or whatever.
Yeah.
That's your point. And then down here, we get points for the other tokens that we had in the stack, like the Fair 3Ds and the gold points and the experience points and the draw points, right? So if you held the tokens, which you put probably more money into than you did for stacks, because most of those are free, then you just basically get more points. Is how that works. So we have this file here. I could open that up for you. What did I call it? Here, this file. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna edit this code after we know how many fucking tokens we're gonna buy. That's just coming up in a second here. So final here, right? So if I open up this file, this is the list that we're going to feed to, not quite because we have to change it for decimals, which I should do, but and then round it. I hate technology. So anyway, here's all the addresses. So if you give me your address, if I look up one of mine, actually I took all of the dev wallets out of here to tell you the truth. Anyway, all of these addresses in here, these 1,000 addresses, a little bit more, are going to get a bunch of tokens, and we're going to put some actual fucking funds into the airdrop.
There's a lot of addresses. Whew.
Not nearly as many as the Cope drop that I just did, right? So everybody's gonna get more value than the Cope drop people did. So what am I trying to do here? First thing I want to do is what figure out why I don't apparently have any Cope. So I believe in the right address.
That's an important one. You always gotta check that one.
So listen, did I just not buy? I guess I didn't buy any code. Oh yeah, that's right. The network is all fucked up, right? So I posted the link here, but you want to go? I guess to Jupiter because I can't give you a link for Prism. And I'm sorry to the guys at Prism, but I would have if I knew how. I mean, it wasn't obvious how to get a link to your actual market. So I tweeted you about it though. So I want to put all of my souls, not quite all of them. So 37, right? And we're gonna buy a bunch of gold. Great. Can I actually do this time? It still says unable to fetch balance changes, man. Confirming one other transaction. It is working. Great. Great. So, the first thing that we need to do with the code, right? Right, Gimel? Gimel.
Yeah, what's
We
up?
have gib.py here, right?
Give.
I don't know why it's not clicking on stuff. What is going on? Oh, it's just being really slow. That's fantastic. Maybe we don't do this on camera. Alright, here we go. Gib, great. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do about that. Here, I need to times these by fucking... No, I need to know fucking... Oh, hold on. These are relative... These are points that we have here, not tokens. That's the first thing I need to keep myself aware of. Anyway, we're going to go back to here, right? Now that I have GOP and a lot of it, and I want stack plus pluses. Ready, going?
Yeah.
All right, ready. Right, so the point is that we don't really know how much these are worth in GOP, I guess. It should still give us the interface stuff on Wumbo to figure out. Maybe GOP wasn't the best idea, but it'll give me the vigor I need to go ahead and modify these tools to pull prices other than just slam, which I have to do for Holoplex anyway, so I'm gonna go do it for Wumbo too. And start that as a larger whole. You get a lot of stack plus pluses. The price of all these copes. Do you know what? Maybe it is actually just the price of cope. Because here it says that there's no conversion, right?
Yeah.
So it's just I put in 11,000 cope and I get 11,000 stack plus plus. That can't be right because yours have to go up in value. Maybe yours did just now relative to cope. I don't know. We'll find out. Hopefully it works the way that I fucking want it to. I should have a bunch of stack plus pluses in Moana. I don't know. Yours hopefully went up in value. I don't know. Maybe they didn't do it the same for other fucking tokens. We'll find out. Anyways, stack plus pluses. Yes, I have a whole bunch of them. Great. That's the first thing. Now what are we doing again? The link. Oh yeah, how many stack plus pluses? I should look at the fucking number. That's the thing I wanted to know. So anyways, these are all numbers out of 100, right? They're not because I fucking fucked it up, didn't I?
Wait, so you traded the cope for the stack plus plus?
Yeah, through 4 transactions. It actually worked a lot better than yours did a second ago. Where
Like
the fuck are
this.
those things? What? Cope 2? Yeah, but you have cope? Did you buy more cope?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what you do. 11,088.
I stayed so I wasn't doing nothing on my laptop. I hold it in my
Here,
hands.
what I need to do, dude, is I need to go through, right? I need to go through this file, right? Actually, I already have the file, so let's just make a brand new fucking here. This is probably what I want, right? So all of this stuff is what I want. Great, let's make a new file.
It went oh, error. Source account does not exist.
Oh yeah, remember we have to fuck around with that one. So I would control shift there. Final object law.json.
Yeah, she's
Gib
a little
is
messy, isn't she?
for G and Gib. Are you ready for this? So firstly, I need a T. I do have a T. So all right, well, T equals T plus G. Is it G I want? G amount, right? That's great. So we need them to normalize this back to a total of 1, right? Let's just quickly print T. That's the first. Oops, fucking maybe. Gib2.py. Great. But on 3 Gib2. Great. Why is that fucking the way it is, dog?
What is it?
131,000. It can't possibly be right. Is it because of this? Oh, I did a bunch of things I shouldn't have done. Oh, the times 100. Okay, so divide by... They're in bits. It's actually 13. 13 is still really high compared to what I wanted to be. Let me just take this off. So,
Do you know what this is? NFT? What's it?
is it?
NFT 10.
It's probably something you minted around and didn't give you.
I don't
It's
I don't remember
7.
that.
No, people could airdrop you anything, too, right?
Yeah, one cope.
That's one of the things you just bought.
Yeah.
Anyways,
But I
dude.
did not get the stack.
Well, keep on going back and trying again.
Mm-hmm.
You fuck.
Stacky stack.
There we go. So what I really want is G amount equals G amount, right? Okay, cool.
Oh wait, no. I've got a one cope now, wouldn't I?
What do we got?
One cope to stack.
That's the first thing I want to do, but now that I have the G amount, now that these are in bits, I want them in fucking decimal. What's the first thing? That's decimal. That's the total of one. Now we have 11. What did I say we have? 11,088. 11,088. 11,088. What the fuck is this thing? Why don't I see him? I got stuff. 11,088. Great. Times 11,088. So this is going to give us the amounts that we want for each of these people, right? Gamble, you ready for this?
Yeah.
This is going to give us the actual fucking thing we need to save here as the input for the gumdrop, right? This is gonna be the gumdrop that gives everybody the moneys. You ready for the fucking how cool this is gonna be?
Gumdrop.
I have to actually take code from somewhere else and fucking anyway, whatever. One is like what we need to do is with open gum stack. That's got to be fucking no the JSON works. The JSON works. Whoopsie daisies, that's not breaking the file. Right. There's that. All right, boys and girls. F dot right. JSON dot dumps. G. Nah, is that gonna actually get saved? This fucking thing to give? I don't know. G amounts. I don't know. Enobs, right? So great. Enobs. G amounts. Okay, well, enobs. Like that. Right? G. Great.
Which is the one you want? Is it one cope or the cope?
You want stack plus plus. I believe.
Interesting.
So gumstack.json should be the file we use somewhere.
Kind of just bounce around between different things. Right?
Yeah, I know it's complicated, but they will make the UI a lot better. Problem is they don't support this yet. Nobody's using anything lower than the only thing that this UI is built to support is Wumbo, dude, and a couple other things. But like,
I think it just went through. Possibly.
Possibly. What's the mint for this fucking thing, dog? What is my mint, dog? There we go, brother. What is my fuck am I doing wrong? Why is my life the way it is? Stack plus plus. Do you know why I named it Stack plus plus?
Oh, I think I got it this time. Hell yeah.
You got it?
Look at that. Stack plus plus 17.95.
There you go.
925.
There you go. So
Okay.
you believe that I should just... Oh, this is the wrong fucking computer, isn't it? Fuck me. Oh, man, oh, man.
Okay. Might have to restart this to see if it showed up.
Is this even gonna have the fucking wallet? Oh, I hate everything. Here, just give me the JSON file. I hate everything, man. I hate everything. Drive. Can I just copy? Is this a thing? Is this possible to just quickly go into... What is this fucking one? Stacks, give JSON. Is it possible to just copy a file? I mean, actually, could mount.
Check it out. It just still doesn't display a price though. But
I don't think it will until I'm gonna have to actually change their code to display prices. I mean, the only reason I did it in Cope instead of Soul is just as a tribute to Siri to be fucking do cool shit because Siri fucking is cool. Use Cope. Plus, people will probably be more interested in this thing because it's just a new use for Cope. There's plenty of uses. I can't copy paste this.
see, like,
Oh man. There's plenty
until
of uses for Soul.
you started using Kobo, I never even heard it.
Yeah,
But
well,
like, of course, I haven't heard of most things
I
for
don't
like
think
the
you
last
ever,
6 months.
I don't think you heard of crypto since I told you about crypto. Probably did, but like I don't think you've ever held any crypto until
I'm a blossoming seed, is what I am.
You're
I'm learning quickly.
a blossoming seed. I like
Yeah.
that. I like that. Gumstack JSON is now my Google Drive. I could have
But
like mounted this.
I think this is the end of my part for everything.
Why
because
you died?
My computer's at like 10%.
Okay, you go.
And I tested it twice on 2 different wallets.
That's true.
So I did my part.
It should have adjusted the price though because of the curve. So like you should be worth more. Like how does that work? I'm sure it did.
Curious.
I'm sure you got more tokens or something. They're supposed to be worth more. I wonder if they even bothered to put the curve into code, but we'll find out, I guess.
We will. Well, until next time.
Yes, until next time.
Our average
Good luck, my friend.
modern day life. I'll catch you
You're
later.
not a modern. I'm a modern.
Modern A, human.
Modern day.
uh, I finished the YouTube video. Ciao.
Jeff, do I have?
It's so nice out there in the Mexican markets where chilies stretch in the sun, high in the mountain air between backcountry skis and kids doing the first snowflower, or next to the pool after a long day of forgetting what day it is. We're all here to get out there and come home more us than us that went away. And when you say that travel
You want
is
to see the videos, mate?
longer, you can travel even more. It's so nice out there.
You okay?
So let's go. Expedia, made to travel. Terms apply. See site for details.
Love, love. Love.